Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how you link your Ecwid store to AliExpress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started logging into your account. If you do not already have one, just create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with linking our store to AliExpress, either for dropshipping or for whatever needs we might have. What we're looking for is right here at the left side of the screen, guys. We want to find the apps section. By putting your mouse on apps, it's going to go ahead and put this new menu up where you can open up the app market, and it's going to open up this marketplace where you can find all the apps that you can use for your store. And in the upper left corner is going to be a search bar, and in this search bar guys, you want to search for AliExpress. After searching for AliExpress, it's going to give you a list of all the results related to AliExpress applications, and the one you're probably going to be using is this one right here guys, called the DSers. This is the for AliExpress dropshipping. So basically guys, this is going to enable you to AliExpress dropshipping automation, optimize suppliers, and so on. So if you want to install it, just click the install button that's going to appear right here. But for this, you're going to need a premium plan on the Ecwid website. So once you have your plan, you can install it from here and start using it for dropshipping on AliExpress. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.